Rory asked me if I wanted to step up a little bit in machinery, and he told me that he was a distributor for 5.0 Robotics, a new brand with a industrial graded machine in small format. And I was like, oh, okay, but what's better? What will it help me do? The main points is like you can do your pieces and parts faster. You can have less vibration because of the rigid frame structure that it has. You can have bigger tools, you can have bigger cutters. The change between different cutters, because when you do projects you can have more cutters, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 tools, and you can load them into UCNC as a tool library. Then you just pop in the right tool number and you have everything set. Like in general, I would say everything will optimize. So with the new machine, they have a really awesome floating dust extraction shoe. So you set the dust shoe to the material that you're cutting, and then it just floats. It floats around on the material, and it never goes up or down. It just stays there. And that was a really good way to get away all the dust, and I can see what's going on inside. And for not to speak of the comparison from stepper motors to servo motors, it's like driving an old Volvo and going to a Formula One car. He really sold it to me, and I really wanted that because I felt like this is probably something I could keep on doing and make a living on, just doing these things, because I saw the market and the people that contacted me, bigger business, small business, private persons, everyone wanted something unique and custom, and I can deliver it to them.